Hello students, hopefully you are in the good conditions. Here we are again to have the lessons. Comparative degree in the positive, comparative and superiority forms. Anytime you want to express the comparisons of objects or someone else, you can use either of the three classifications. And in these lessons, you will learn what the comparative form is and how to use the comparative form to make your writing more interesting, or you can express your mind to someone else. You can see the examples and the patterns or the rules, and after that you can test your understanding by doing the Google form after these lessons. Comparative degree is classified into three classes. The first is positive, comparative and superiority form. In the positive form, use the positive form of the adjective if the comparison contains one of the following expressions, like as and as, the meaning it is equal, or not as, or not so as, to show it is not equal. Look at now the pictures, like Laura is 12 years old, 40 kilograms and 160 meter, 1.60 meter or 160 centimeters. And the second picture, it is about the two objects which are equal. The pen and the pencil have the same length. The pen is as long as the pencil. It is equal. But Laura, Alan, Mike and Shopee, they are not equal. Here you can say that Alan is twice as weight as Mike, or Alan is twice as weight as Laura. Or you can say also Mike is older than Alan and Sophie, or Laura is the oldest student of the 4 students in the picture. So here is the comparative degree. But this is not what we discuss in the positive. It is only with as and or as or not so and as. One way of describing a person or thing or object is by saying that they have more particular quality than another object or someone else. And in this time or this situation, comparative form is used to show they are not equal. To show a difference, or to show that there is only one similarity, just one similarity between two things, underline two things, the comparative form must be used to compare two objects, to find one similarity, but the similarity also there is difference inside. You can say with comparative. The adjective is made into comparative form in one or two ways. One way, it is by adding er, and the other ways is by using more. It depends on what? Depends on the syllables. The syllables of what? The syllables of the adjectives. In the regular form, the adjectives like new, hot, cute, pretty, lonely, beautiful, popular, it is not new for you. It is not hard for you to understand. Because new is just one syllable. Hot is just one syllable. Cute, cute. When you say cute, it is just one syllable. Pretty is coming from pre and t, two syllables. And this is lonely, also two syllables. Like a beautiful, three syllables. Like a popular, three syllables. How if the syllables 1 and 2? Just add er. See, new, newer, hot, hotter, cute, cuter, pretty, prettier, lonelier. What about if the syllables of the adjectives 3 or more? Use more here. More beautiful, more popular. In the sentences, you can see in the examples, like she is prettier than the two sisters. She is cuter than her sister. This fax machine is newer than that one. The manager wants to be more popular than the previous one. All of them between the subject and the other one. She and the two sisters. Two components. The second one, she and her sister. Two groups to be compared. This fax machines, that one, also two. The manager, then the previous one, also two objects. The next slide, it is about the superative form, or is normally to show that one of many other objects. It is possible to describe someone or something by saying that they have more particular quality than any other of their kind. Any other of their kind, not just one or two. And it is used by using superative adjectives, by adding est in the end of the adjective or the most before the adjective. If the comparison is between three or more things, then the superative form must be used. Before, it's just one, and comparative degree comparisons is 2. Now superative is 3 or more items to be compared. An adjective or adverb is made into superative form in 1 or 2 ways. Same thing like the previous one. And the way or the rule depends on the syllables of the adjectives or the adverb. Like new, like before, hot, cute, pretty, modern, beautiful, popular, like the example before, this one, okay, and pretty is 2 syllable, modern is 2, beautiful 3, and what is the superative? With the newest, the hottest 1 syllable, the cutest 1 syllable, the prettiest 2 syllables, the most modern, it is 2 syllables, but you need to know some specification here. Not all with the 2, not moderner, like clever. Another example can be like clever or the most clever or the cleverest, but most of the adjectives with 3 will be with the most beautiful, the most popular, like the example. Example in the sentences, this office is the most modern one in the building. Inside the building, there are many offices. In your mind, you compare just this office compared to other offices in the building. She is the youngest employee in the company to be promoted. The office and she are compared to many other objects among them. Okay, in this slide, you will see the examples or the exercises that you can see in the applications of the equal or positive adjective, comparative, and superative form. There are 4 cars, One is BMW, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, and Toyota 86. The comparisons or the details to be compared of the cars about the speed and the price. When you see here BMW, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, and Toyota 86, there are some similarities about the prices, like the Audi, 60,000 US dollar, the same price, the same amount of money if you want to have with BMW, the same. And Mercedes-Benz is the most expensive car of the cars in the picture. Someone is asking you, which one is the fastest car? To show what? The superiority degree, because 1 of 4. You take 1. Many cars here, just take 1. More than 3. Which one is the slowest car? Also, it is about superiority degree. Which one is the most expensive car? Superiority degree. Which one is the least expensive car or the cheapest one? Also superiority degree. Which one has the same price or equal comparisons as expensive as? The same amount of money you will spend if you want to have it. How about is the price between BMW and Toyota 86? It is comparative degree. Which is faster, Audi or BMW? Okay, now look at the answers. BMW is the fastest car. Toyota 86 is the slowest car. Mercedes-Benz is the most expensive car. Toyota 86 is the cheapest car or the least expensive car. BMW is more expensive than Toyota 86, or Toyota 86 is cheaper than BMW because you compare just two objects. BMW is faster than Audi, or Audi is slower than BMW. Okay, students, I think that is all about the explanations. You read again the note in the PDF file, and after that you do the exercises in the Google quiz or Google form. Don't forget to submit your email, and hopefully you're in good conditions. Stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.